everyone. Nivedita is here by taking a video on ecological pyramids. Say this is a topic from class 10th science. This topic belongs to the chapter Our Environment. Okay, so in this, actually we can say already in the previous video, we have gone through the food chain. So it is related with the food chain because food chain is having the different trophic levels. So this is also a presentation of food chain, but in a different way. It is a triangle like structure which shows the different trophic levels. So it's we can define it like that. It is the graphical representation of an ecological parameter. A parameter could be a number, it could be a biomass, or it could be an amount like that of the energy at different trophic levels in a food chain. So means it is concerned, it is related with the food chain. So in each trophic level, we can just find out number, biomass or amount, what it is going on, whether it's decreasing or increasing. By shape only we can find it out. So there are three types of ecological pyramids: pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. So first one, pyramid of numbers. A pyramid of number is graphic representation which describe the arrangement of number of individuals of different trophic level in a food chain. Okay, and the shape of pyramid for the numbers. Okay, for the numbers, it may be upright or it may be inverted. See, when it is upright means the number of individuals are decreasing from producer to top carnivore, and if we say inverted means the numbers are increasing. Okay, if upright the numbers are decreasing, and in inverted numbers are increasing. This we need to keep in mind. We have the example for the same. If upright, we are talking of upright, so we have the example grassland ecosystem. And when we talk of inverted, so we have the example of tree ecosystem, when a single tree acts as an ecosystem. How, we will see in the next slide. See, the first one, pyramid. This shows the producers. So producers are more in numbers, and herbivores they are less, and then primary carnivores they are also very less, and the top carnivore, that is become very few. Means the numbers are decreasing in the first diagram. Okay, producer to top carnivore. And see, when we talk of single tree, that is inverted pyramid. So here the numbers are increasing. So single tree is there as a producer, and on the producer there are so many birds are living on the tree. So numbers are increasing, and each bird's body there are so many of parasites, ticks, lice, etc. Again numbers are increasing, and in the body of these parasites there may be some kind of fungus or some kind of bacteria. So again numbers are increasing. So in the numbers, pyramid of numbers, it may be erect, that is upright, or inverted. Now pyramid of biomass. Biomass means what? Biomass means organic matter. We are talking of organic matter. Same here as well. It is, of course, it is a representation of total amount of organic matter in an ecosystem at any time in a particular area. So it also may be upright or it may be inverted. When we say it is upright, means the organic matter is decreasing. You can see in the pyramid the organic matter of producers, that is more, then less in the second trophic level, that is herbivores, and at the topmost that is also very less of organic matter. Okay, again here in the upright organic matter is decreasing. Now we will see what's going on in inverted pyramid of biomass. This we can see in the pond ecosystem. Okay, pond ecosystem in water. So what happens in the water? Phytoplanktons, the biomass of phytoplankton less is less than that of the zooplankton, means less organic matter of phytoplankton supports the more of zooplanktons, more of small fishes and more of large fishes. Okay, so phytoplanktons, which are producers one, they have the less of organic matter. So here the organic matter is increasing. So this is very important. This is possible in plants only. This is possible in pond, means in aquatic body. You can have the example of ecosystem in aquatic body. Pyramid of energy. It is the presentation of amount of energy in per unit area at different trophic levels of an ecosystem. So always the pyramid of energy is upright. Why this is always upright? Because energy always flow from the producers. Okay, producers to consumers always. So that's why always its pyramid will be upright. Okay, means the energy decreases when we go from producers to top carnivores. So this shows the pyramid: producer, herbivores, carnivores and top carnivores. Okay, so this example shows, so in case of numbers and biomass, this is possible कि they may be upright and inverted, but pyramid of energy always upright, means the energy decreases.